Hello students. In security analysis and portfolio management, next we are going to discuss about the participants in financial markets. So the major participants acting in the financial markets is what listed here. First one is household. See, any individual when he wants to involve in any kind of investment, for that to protect himself in future he has to gain some huge return. Okay, so household in the sense whoever can whoever is willing to invest in any kind of securities, they can invest. Okay, the ultimate aim of those individuals is just to gain the return. So household. Okay, so individuals. Next is what? Governments. So we cannot simply say only the general public, only the corporate companies. So they are just involving in all these investment alternatives, investment activities. Not like that. Even government plays a major role in financial markets. Okay. So say for example, government is what, releasing bonds. Even government is also involved in all kinds of debentures activities. Okay, so that is what the government plays a huge role, okay, in financial markets. So coming to the next type, that is non-financial corporations. See, for that we need to know what is this non-financial corporations, where actually this kind of corporations, it actually produce goods and services for the market. Okay, and as a primary activity, right? Basically this NFC, that is non-financial corporations, it actually deal with financial assets and liabilities. Okay, so the sector includes maybe retailers, manufacturers, utilities, business service providers, even caterers. Okay, so airlines, construction companies, firms. We can just list it out in different forms like this. Okay, so non-financial sector. If we are discussing about this, public sector financial corporations are there, and even private sector non-financial corporations are there. Okay, so this NFC plays again very important participant in this financial market. So next is about depository institution. What is this depository? Okay, who is this participant? See, a financial institution that obtains its fund mainly through deposits from the public. So getting the deposits from the public, okay, that kind of financial institution is actually called as depository institution. Okay, we know that who actually does this process? Obviously banks, all kind of commercial banks, yes, and even other than banks we can also say savings and loan associations. Okay, so that kind of associations, even savings banks, even credit unions. So all these participants, all these kind of institutions do the same work, that is getting deposits from the public. Okay, so next, insurance companies. Again, insurance companies becomes the next other participant of the financial markets. There are many insurance companies like agriculture insurance company, Bajaj Allianz is there, National Insurance is there, and then even ECGC, and then even ICICI, Kotak Mahindra. So like this, there are many kind of insurance companies where they are acting in this financial markets. Next is asset management firms. So asset management firm or asset management company, basically it is a SEBI registered financial institution. Okay, so the role of this AMC, that is asset management firm, that is, it pools funds from the multiple investors and invest in various financial instruments such as even stocks, bonds, real estates, and the purpose is what? To generate returns for the investors. Okay, so that is what the major work that this AMC they are doing. So examples where we can say all kind of mutual companies like Axis Mutual Fund is there, we can also say HSBC, HDFC. Okay. Next is investment bank. So investment bank, in the sense, it is a financial services company, and its role is that act as an intermediary in large and corporate financial transactions. Okay, so that is what the investment bank's role. And next, non-profit organization. So non-profit organization is something that it is an entity that is created and operated for charitable or socially beneficial purposes rather than to make a profit. So best example, we can say hospitals, universities, charities, church, foundations, whatever. Okay, and we can also say as foreign investors. They are also acting as a very important participant. So if they want to invest in our stock exchanges, our Indian securities, probably that is also possible. Okay, so these are all the different participants in financial markets. Thank you.